This is Dave from Water Pros here. Just doing a little after video now of this faucet installation. Actually, there's two faucets that we installed, and just a simple dishwasher install. So we're finished up here now. This is a Price Pfister faucet. Looks pretty slick, and we put on some new shutoffs and braided supply lines for them under here, and actually cleaned out their drain too, because this P-trap was plugged. So we cleaned her all out and everything works nice. Drains really good now. So we'll take you into the other bathroom here. Here's bathroom number 2. New tap installed. Same thing underneath. This drain wasn't plugged, but we put on some new shutoffs, braided supply lines under there, and a new mechanical pop-up that came with the faucet. So it's a nice stainless finish faucet. It's got the clicker type drain, so you can push. Works really well. And over here we got the dishwasher installed, so that one's all done, ready to go. New shut off underneath right here. New braided supply line. Drains all hooked up into the carburetor. And right now we're working on this range head replacement here. So we got a new gas stove coming in here. We didn't do the gas line, it was done by Pro Solutions, and you can see a nice red sticker there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Dave from Water Pros. Have yourself a great day.